Pay attention to the guidelines given in the assembly instructions. Remove products from packaging immediately before installation without touching the fusion zone. Clean the fusion area of the CoolFit pipe and fitting with PE cleaner and a clean, print and lint-free and colorless cloth in a circumferential direction and allow the cleaner to evaporate. Push the CoolFit fitting onto the pipe completely to the stop. Fit the second pipe in the same way. When the sealing lip arches upwards, the necessary insertion depth is achieved and a tight sealing of the insulation is ensured. Mark the CoolFit pipe at the end of the lips of the fitting to ensure that pipe and fitting have not moved during the welding and cooling process. Secure the CoolFit pipes and fitting against dislocation using an appropriate clamping tool. Connect the cables to the welding pins of the CoolFit 2.0 fitting and perform the fusion in accordance to the operating instructions of the fusion unit. After fusion, check the message on the fusion unit display, remove the cables and check both fusion indicators on the CoolFit fitting. Make a note of the fusion data onto the CoolFit fitting for later inspection. Ensure the fusion remains stress-free and avoid dislocation until cooling time has elapsed. Mount the insulation for the welding pins. Remove the clamping tool and allow the minimum cooling time for pressure testing to pass before conducting the pressure test. CoolFit, the revolution for efficient cooling.